Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share the complete process to obtain ECE Level 1 means Early Childhood Educator Certification for Saskatchewan Province of Canada from India. I will tell you the brief detail about ECE certification, eligibility criteria, benefits and how to apply for this certification. If you are interested, then stay tuned till end. Hello friends, this is Manpreet from Immigration Talks Canada and I regularly upload videos on Canada immigration. If you want regular updates then please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Now let's begin. Starting from the brief description about ECE. ECE is the Early Childhood Education. It is the important when you work with young children in childcare centers and as a family childcare home provider. It gives you the skills and abilities to provide the best care and education for young children. The knowledge and practical skills you get through formal childhood education prepares you to work with infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school age children in licensed child care facilities. Basically, ECE is the license to carry out the teaching or care activities for the preschool children. The main benefit is that early childhood education, that is ECE certification, is required if you work with infants, toddlers, preschoolers, and school age children for 65 hours or more per month in a licensed child care center. All applicants must apply directly to the Ministry of Education for ECE certification. Now coming to the eligibility criteria. To be eligible for ECE certification, you are eligible only if you have completed coursework that has led to an ECE orientation certificate or diploma or have finished an equal combination of education from a recognized post-secondary institution. For instance, if you are from India and you have completed the BE.Ed course, then you are eligible for ECE Level 1 certification. Early Childhood Educator Certificate has three levels: Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. First of all, for Level 1, it is awarded after completing the 9 credit units, that is the 3 courses that we will discuss later on in this video, that are related to early childhood, including one course from each of the 3 courses, that is child development, programming and relationship. Or after you have finished an ECE orientation from a recognized post-secondary institution, for example the BE.Ed. And ECE Level 2 is awarded after you have completed a 1-year ECE certificate program from a recognized post-secondary institution, or after you have finished an equivalent amount of post-secondary coursework. And the last one, that is the ECE Level 3, it is awarded after you have finished a 2-year ECE diploma program from a recognized post-secondary institution, or after you have finished an equivalent amount of post-secondary coursework. ECE Level 2 and Level 3 will be obtained after taking admission in a post-secondary institution in Canada only, while ECE Level 1 can be obtained from India itself. So here it is a main tip, that is a minimum of an ECE Level 1 is required in order to work 65 hours or more per month in a child care center, and an ECE Level 3 is required for the directors of the child care centers. Now, this table will illustrate the number of credit units required for each level of certification. For example, for ECE level 1, you require 9 credits, that is 3 from child development, 3 from programming, 3 from relationships, and there is no need to requirement of credit from the related course. While for the ECE level 2, you require 39, and for the ECE level 3 you require 81. So here you can simply see that how you require the credit units, and in the next slide you will see what are the various subjects that are approved in the particular subject area. For example, in the child development there is a list of courses that you have to complete. Now coming to the next point, that is how to apply. This is the major point. Basically, there are two steps. You must submit an application for ECE certification and official transcripts. You have to submit the official transcripts if you are from the Canada or US. Here it is the I have shared the application form. You can simply download this form by the link that I have given in the description box. You can download this application form, you have to fill it and then you have to submit it. I will also share the address where you have to submit this application form. But before filling this form, you have to complete the second step, that is the step about the official transcript. If your relevant post secondary education is from Canada or US, then official transcripts must be sent directly from the post secondary education to the Ministry of Education of Saskatchewan. However, if your relevant post secondary education is outside Canada or US, then what you have to do? You have to do the course by course, means course by course evaluation, that is ICAP reports, that is conducted by World Education Services WES. And to obtain that course by course evaluation report, you have to simply follow the procedure that I have explained here. First of all, you have to visit the website, that is www.wes.org. You have to register yourself on this. Then you have to fill the simple details about your education credentials. After completing this, you have to select the option of course to course evaluation, then pay the fee, that would be around $100. Then select the institution, that is Saskatchewan Ministry of Education. After evaluation is completed by WES, a copy of this report will be automatically sent to the Saskatchewan Ministry of Education. The application form that you have downloaded, you have to fill it and you have to send it, one hard copy that will be sent on this address, and one soft copy or scanned copy will be mailed to this address, that is ececertification@gov.sk.ca. Here I have shared the copy of ECE level 1 certificate that I have obtained, and here you can see. And if you would like to know more details about this certification program, then you can follow this official website link that I have also provided in my video description box. You can check it out here, and you can check this my video for the for knowing about the procedure how to register yourself on the west.org, and how to apply for the World Education Services, and you can check this my video. If you like my video, then please like it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.